मॉनसून में ट्रैवल करने का मन है बट समझ नहीं आ रहा कि जाए कहाँ। कोई बात नहीं, वीडियो को एंड तक देखो और खुद ही समझ जाओगे। तो चलो फटाफट बिना किसी डिले के शुरू करते हैं अपनी पहली डेस्टिनेशन के साथ, जो है मैजिकल मेघालय। और इसे प्यार से बादलों का घर भी कहते हैं। ये दुनिया की सबसे ज्यादा रेनी प्लेसेस में से एक है। मॉनसून में यहाँ का क्लाउड्स, ग्रीनरी और वाटरफॉल तीनों का कॉम्बो ऐसा लगता है कि स्ट्रेट आउट ऑफ ड्रीम लैंड हो। तो क्या कहते हो, कर ले चेरापूंजी की आइटिनरी डिस्कस।
Day 1. Arrival and drive to Cherrapunji. Stay at Cherrapunji. Travel time from Shillong is 2.5 hours and that is 60 kilometers. Arrive in Shillong via Guwahati Airport or directly. Stop at Elephant Falls, Shillong Peak, panoramic view of the city. Scenic drive through pine-covered hills and misty cliffs. Reach Cherrapunji by evening. Check into your hotel or resort. Relax and enjoy the cool weather. Day 2. Waterfalls and Viewpoints Day. Nokkalikai Falls, India's tallest plunge waterfall. Seven Sisters Falls, iconic view with Bangladesh plains in sight. Thankarang Park, stunning cliffside views. Moss Mai Cave, short limestone cave walk and amazing and walkable place. Eco Park, views of Green Canyon and waterfalls. A local tip, try local Khasi food at Orange Roots or a home cafe. Evening, return and rest or take a light walk around your property. Day 3. Double-decker route bridge trek. Early morning departure, start by 7 am. Drive to Tairana village, starting point. Begin the trek through lush forest, hanging bridges and crystal clear pools. Reach the double-decker living root bridge, which is a natural marvel. Optional, take a dip in the natural swimming pool near the bridge. Return trek to Tairana and back to Cherrapunji by evening. Day 4. Caves, culture and return. Visit Arva Cave, larger and less touristy than Mosmai. Short hike to Wakaba Falls or Daintlin Falls. Buy local honey, pickles or bamboo crafts from village shops. Final photos at scenic spots. Later, drive back to Shillong or Guwahati depending on your exit plan. Travel tips. Best time to visit is between October to April. Less rainfall and clearer views. Don't forget to carry a rain jacket, power bank, good trekking shoes and a small backpack. Network is limited in remote areas, so don't forget to download offline maps.
अब चलते हैं केरला की ओर, which literally is the heaven of greenery. पहले बात करते हैं मुन्नार की। 10,600 मीटर्स की ऊंचाई में सिचुएटेड ये हिल स्टेशन टी गार्डन्स, वाटरफॉल और फॉग से भरा है। मॉनसून में यहाँ के अतुकल और लक्कम वाटरफॉल बारिश के पानी से और भी कैप्टिवेटिंग हो जाते हैं। तो केरला में दूसरी लोकेशन है आलपी, विच इज फेमस फॉर इट्स बैक वाटर। केरला में मॉनसून में बैक वाटर्स में हाउस बोट की सैर इतनी सरियल लगती है, एकदम ड्रीम जैसी। अब जल्दी से डिस्कस कर लेते हैं मुन्नार और आलपी की कंबाइंड आइटिनरी।
Day 1. Arrival at Cochin. Drive to Munnar. Stay at Munnar. En route attractions are Chiapara and Valara waterfalls, tea gardens and viewpoints, spice plantations. Reach Munnar by evening. Check in and relax. In the evening, explore the local market or enjoy leisure time at the resort. Day 2. Full day Munnar sightseeing. Stay at Munnar. Places to visit. Eravikulam National Park, which is closed between Feb to March for breeding season. Matupeti Dam, Echo Point, Kundala Lake, Tea Museum and Photo Point. Day 3. Munnar to Alapi. Stay at Alapi houseboat. Arrive at Alapi by noon. Check in to a premium private houseboat. Enjoy a backwater cruise through palm-lined canals, paddy fields and villages. Authentic Kerala lunch and dinner on board. Magical sunset over Vembanad Lake. Peaceful overnight stay on the houseboat. Day 4. Alapi to Cochin. Stay at Cochin. After breakfast, disembark and drive to Kochi. Optional sightseeing, Fort Kochi, colonial architecture and seaside stroll. Chinese fishing nets, iconic photo point. Jew Town and Cherry Palace, these are some heritage experiences. Marine Drive for sunset or local food. Lulu Mall if you are in a shopping mood. Check into the hotel, relax or explore local cafes. Day 5. Departure from Cochin. Depending on your flight or train timing, you can explore more or head straight to the airport or station with memories of misty hills and calm waters.
अब आती है बारी गोवा की, जो कि मॉनसून में एक बहुत ही अलग तरीके से ब्यूटिफाई हो जाता है। यहाँ का दूध सागर वाटरफॉल इतना प्रिटी दिखता है, जो कि 310 मीटर्स की ऊंचाई पर सिचुएटेड है। इट लिटरली फील्स लाइक मिल्क कमिंग थ्रू द फॉल।
Day 1. Arrival plus North Goa exploration. Stay at North Goa. Activities. Arrive and check in at your hotel. Visit iconic beaches. Kalangute Beach, lively and great for water sports. Baga Beach, buzzing with shacks and parasailing. Kendolam Beach, more relaxed vibes. Evening. Enjoy sunset at Fort Agoda or Chapoda Fort. Shop at flea markets or Tito's Lane. Dinner at a beach shack or a popular cafe like Thalassa. Optional, beachside bonfire or night clubbing. Day 2. South Goa Serenity or Island Escape. Option A. South Goa, relaxed and scenic. Head to Kolva, Benolim or Pelolim Beach. Visit Sri Mangeshi or Shanta Durga Temple. Explore Portuguese churches of Old Goa. Option B. Island Adventure. Take a dolphin cruise or island hopping tour. Snorkeling or scuba diving options are also available. In the evening, sunset at Kolva Beach or Dona Paula Viewpoint. Candlelight dinner at beachside restaurants. Candlelight dinner at beachside restaurant. Day 3. Local vibes plus departure. Morning. Brunch at a trendy cafe. Quick shopping at Mapusa Market or Panaji for spices, wines and souvenirs. Explore Fountain House, pastel-colored Portuguese homes and art galleries. Check out and transfer to airport or railway station. Travel tips. Rent a scooty or car for convenience. Best time to visit is between October to March. Please respect beach cleanliness and local customs.
सो कमेंट कर दो जो भी प्लेस सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग लगी हो, और ऐसे ही अमेजिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल। टिल देन, गुड बाय।